Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 35. Jeoyeyo, which means this is me. The term Jo, as in Jeoyeyo, means me, and the term Yeyo means it is or this is. So the combination of Jo and Yeyo means it is me or this is me. Jeoyeyo could be divided into 3 syllables. Jeoyeyo. Jo is formed from the combination of the sounds Jiyot and O, while Ye is just the sound of Ye itself with a no sound iyong or a placeholder iyong on the first part of the syllable. And Yo is also just the sound of Yo itself with a no sound iyong or a placeholder iyong at the beginning of the syllable. Jeoyeyo. And with that, you just learned Jeoyeyo. Let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 25 to 34. Before anything else, remember that our word for today is Jeoyeyo, which means it is me or this is me. Word number 34 is saram. This is a noun and it means person. Word number 33 is silyahabnida, which means I'm sorry to disturb you in a formal manner. Word number 32 is gabang. This is a noun which means bag. Word number 31 is chabutakdiribnida, which means please take care of me in a formal manner. Word number 30 is dobocha, which means see you again. This is not as immediate or urgent as see you later. Word number 29 is idabwa, which means see you later, and this is an immediate or urgent later. Word number 28 is kunyang, which means just because, or an expression that you ask for no reason at all. Word number 27 is pali. This is an adverb which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is chamkanman, which means just a second, and this is the informal and casual version of chamkanmanyo. Word number 25 is komawoyo, and this is just one among the many formal way of saying thank you. Congratulations! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. See you!